Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Sigma Trader. My name's Ali. I'm a professional trader and I've been trading for 4 years. And I've created this channel to help people who are struggling with trading or who are complete beginners get the truth and the real understanding of Forex trading and how the markets really work. The do's and don'ts, what works, what doesn't work. Cut through all the noise, all the bullshit that there is out there, and be one of the very few people who is genuinely trying to help struggling traders and beginners. So today I'm going to be looking at what actually is Forex trading. This is part of my beginner series. So I'm starting with the very basics. What actually is Forex trading? And to use its full name, it's foreign exchange trading. So the first thing to understand is that the Forex market is a decentralized trading market where currencies are traded. So it is the largest and most liquid trading market in the entire world. It trades approximately $6.5 trillion per day, and those statistics are from 2021, so I'm sure it's gone up since by then. So an outline of the Forex market. It is, like I said, a decentralized marketplace, which basically means that there is no one bank or institution or government in charge of it. It is made up of a network of large banks, large institutions, and even retail traders like myself. So the Forex market is a global market. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And that is across several time zones which overlap. London, Tokyo, Sydney, New York, which means there's plenty of opportunity for everyone around the world to participate. So essentially, in the Forex marketplace, what is being done is there is a bidding war going on between buyers and sellers. You're basically betting whether one currency is going to appreciate, go up, or depreciate versus another currency. So you've got, for example, the euro versus the dollar. So if I was to bet that the euro was going to increase against the dollar, that would be an appreciation. So how you make a profit is, if I was to buy the euro at 1.2000, and then I was expecting the price to appreciate, to go up, and then the price eventually hits 1.2010, then I've made a profit. Once you've hit your target, you've got your profit, it's a good idea to take your profit straight away. One of the hardest things in trading is to take your profits when you've got them there. We will touch more on this, about hitting targets, which targets are good, which targets are not so good, and why they are, why they're not. But yeah, once your price goes up, you're in profit, take your profits. So Forex trading is essentially the buying and selling of currencies, and they're always in pairs. So you've got the euro dollar, pound dollar, the yen pound. There's I think up to 28 cross currencies. You've got the majors and the minors. Again, I'll talk more about this in up and coming videos. But that's essentially what Forex trading is. It's the buying and selling of currencies, predicting whether the price is going to go up or down. Essentially, if you don't know the basics of how to trade, it is a bet. But once you dedicate time and effort into learning about it, it's not so much. Then it's more of an educated guess. So everyday people like you and me, we can get access to the markets. We need to open an account with a brokerage firm, a trading brokerage firm. There are many good ones out there, many not so good. And I will give you some recommendations on that as well. Some of these brokerage accounts may have their own trading platform, which then gives you access to the charts and the actual trading environment. I myself have not gone with my brokerage platform. I've gone with a third-party platform. So you can link your trading account to a third-party platform. I've gone with TradingView. They are one of the best platforms that you can get out there. I highly recommend you guys, if you're starting out, or if you already have an account or a platform, check out TradingView. They do offer a free service, but I would highly recommend that you go with the next tier up, which is the professional service. You can get extra indicators and there's extra priority given to those customers. So there are two styles of trading. You've got fundamental trading and there's technical analysis. So fundamental trading is all about the economic news, geopolitical news. And the other style of trading is technical analysis. So I subscribe to the technical analysis approach. It's about looking at the charts, the candlesticks, interpreting what's going on, looking at patterns. It's much easier to systematize your trading with technical analysis. It's very hard to build a system with the news. The news can be interpreted in many different ways. It can be systematized, I guess, but it takes a lot longer. I've not met many successful fundamental traders. I've met a lot more successful technical traders. So looking at the charts, the movement of the candlesticks is referred to as price action. And you can look at historical charts and look at patterns, look at if they repeat themselves. You can create rules around how the candlesticks form. A lot easier to trade, a lot easier to decipher. You can stay impartial and remove emotion, I think. It's a lot easier to do. So yeah, I subscribe to the technical analysis approach. It's a mechanical approach. I'm not a discretionary trader. I have data, I look at patterns and I draw my conclusions from empirical data. So there you have it, guys. That is as simpler a version as I can give with regards to what is Forex trading. It's essentially currencies that are being traded against each other, largely by big institutions, huge banks, trading billions per pair. There's a potential to make a lot of money. But the crucial thing is that you've got to learn how to do it. It's just like, compare it to playing poker. I've come across a lot of people comparing trading to a sport like boxing, MMA, tennis. A lot of people compare it to chess. The closest thing you're going to get to with trading is poker. Now there are people who've learned how to play poker and they've done it successfully. You know, every year you'll see the same 20, 30 faces at world champion tournaments. That is not by accident. That is by design. They've worked hard at learning their trade. And it's the same with regards to trading. You can make a lot of money Forex trading. There have been people who've gone from zero to millionaires in a few short years. If you do want to learn more about this, reach out to me. I'm happy to teach one-to-one. That's the best way to learn. I've learned all of my trading through a one-to-one process with a mentor, with a coach. I highly recommend that method for everyone. Without the right education, you will lose money. So I do encourage people to reach out to me and I'll teach you exactly how to trade, the things to look out for, how to manage your money, and give you the hints and tips that you need to become a successful trader. So that's the basics of Forex trading. If you've got any questions, comments, anything you want me to touch on, if you want me to talk more about what I've done and what's worked for me, just reach out, guys, or comment below and I'll get back to you.